As you can see, Chord World was expecting us.
That's nice. Hi, Chord World! Which chords do we study today?
2 more minor chords, B minor and C minor.
Oh, good. 2 in a row.
We'll begin with the B minor.
Ready to go.
Second fret, 4th finger on 1st string. 3rd fret, middle finger on 2nd string. 4th fret, ring finger on 4th string. And pinky on the 3rd string. B minor. Now to play a C minor,
All I have to do is to slide up 1 fret, right?
indeed. So we'll have 3rd fret, 4th finger on 1st string, 4th fret, middle finger on 2nd string, 5th fret, ring finger on the 4th string, and pinky on the 3rd string.
Hey, that was easy.
Wasn't it? Don't forget to avoid playing the 5th and 6th strings. Those sounds don't belong to these chords.
Right. Now let me see what happens if I play them in succession.
Please do. Just to change pattern, though. Start with a C minor and then move down to B minor.
Sounds a bit creepy. Good for a ghost story.
Ooh.